Let me show you how you can add a funny sound like this or like this one here in TikTok. This is what I'm about to show you now on how you can add such a funny sound under your video to make your video to get more quality, to get more engagement, to go viral here on TikTok.
Tap the plus sign like you want to make a post. Go to your gallery, select the video that you want to add the funny sound.
Poorest man in my village? Could you
Let's
believe
go
I'm
to
the
the
poorest?
editing.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village?
Stop the video, then split. Tap on the video, then you click split. Then add that funny sound now. Add it. Watch what will happen.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village? Then why are you laughing over it?
This is how to create such a funny video here in TikTok. Share this video for more.